All right, so if you have pooling water on the side of your house like this, you probably need a French drain, but I can afford one of those right now. So I'm going to show you how to fix this for about $75. So the first thing you want to do is pull all these weeds. I'm really embarrassed that I'm showing you this, that I let this go, but they're really easy to get out because of how wet the area was. And so here it is now with all the weeds cleared. And so then what you're going to do is get some topsoil, and you're just going to put that around your foundation and just make sure you slope it down so that the drainage goes away from your house. All right, so what you're going to want to do now is dig out the border. Now you can use bricks, you can use pavers. I'm using bricks right here. So just go ahead and dig that out and save that soil that you're digging out, because we're going to use that to level the bricks or your pavers that you're using. So you're just going to place these bricks. Now this is on a slope, so you're wanting it to slope away from your house. So I'm just picking up those bricks. I'm getting some of that soil that I dug out, and I'm just putting that in there to just level those bricks to make them even right there. So you can see me picking those up, just putting a little bit of that soil just to make those even. And again, you're sloping these down so that they're away from your foundation. All right, so you're ready to put the sand down. Now this sand will turn into concrete. This is a masonry sand, and when you add water to it, it will create a concrete base across the top of your soil right there, so no weeds are going to come through, and it will create a really sturdy surface. So I went ahead and watered that down, and now you're going to get your pea gravel. Now I like to lay my pea gravel out in sections like this. Go ahead and open them up and just dump them out. Now you can use a rake if you want to, but I actually prefer to just get down and use my hands and just get that gravel down exactly where I need to. And I didn't do that spot by my foundation yet. I was thinking about doing some fake plants there, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do the concrete up there and put a little bit more pea gravel there. And I got some pea gravel there in my little garden shoes, so I just got to shake that out. So here it is all done, and I just need to go get me a little bit more of that concrete and pea gravel to finish up that area. But you can just tell my feet, this is the very next day after my feet were just smushing down into that wet soil, and now it's all good. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.